Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we will show you how to remove and replace the terminal block and power cord on this Whirlpool electric dryer. To begin, we must first access the rear of the unit.
Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
Remove the terminal block. First, going to have to gain access by removing the terminal block cover. Remove the 2/4 inch screws. Lift up on the cover and disengage it from the top. Set your cover aside. First, you are going to want to remove your power cord. Then remove the 2 Phillips screws that hold in the terminal block. And then you can pull your terminal block out. Now, typically in the field, you would be doing this repair because you had one wire that got burnt. So you would be repairing the wire with a new terminal. To remove the terminal, you're going to push down on the tab here and lift it out from the top, or slide it down and then lift it out from the top. And do the same to the other 3. And then set your terminal block off to the side. With your new terminal block, you're going to take your 3 nuts, slide them into the terminal block. And then if you replaced any terminals, you're going to take your new terminals and slide them into the terminal block. Make sure that the black and the red are on the sides with the white in the middle. You're going to want to make sure that your tab is also out so that it locks in place. And then you just take your terminals and install them in reverse order the way you took them out. You should hear that clip. That means that they are locked into place. Take your terminal block, line the holes up with the screws. And now you line up your power cord with the color of the wires of the terminal block, with white always being in the center again. And you want to make sure you have these nice and tight, otherwise you will end up with a burnt wire again. And you take your cover, install the cover from the locking tabs on the top, and then install your 1/4 inch screws. and your terminal block repair is complete. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.